In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add borders to cells in Excel. Adding borders is a simple way to make your spreadsheet easier to read. Borders help separate data clearly, and they can make tables or lists look more organized and professional. In Excel, you can apply borders in just a few clicks once you know where to find the option. To begin, click and drag your cursor over the cells that you want to format. This will highlight the range of cells where the border will be added. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct area before moving on, because the border will only apply to the cells that are currently highlighted. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where many of the most commonly used formatting tools are located, including font settings, alignment options, fill colors, and borders. If you are already on the Home tab, you can stay right there and continue to the next part. Now, look for the font group in the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar that runs across the top of Excel, and the font section contains tools for changing text appearance as well as adding cell outlines. Finding this section is important because the border controls are grouped there with other formatting features. Once you have located the font group, click the small arrow next to the borders icon. The icon usually looks like a small window pane or a square divided into sections. Clicking the arrow opens a drop-down menu with several border choices. This gives you different ways to outline your selected cells depending on how you want the worksheet to look. From that menu, click All Borders. As soon as you select it, Excel will place borders around every cell in the highlighted range. This means each cell will have visible lines on all sides, making the selected section stand out more clearly. If you are working with tables, budgets, schedules, or any grouped data, this option is especially useful because it instantly creates a clean grid. It is a quick formatting step that can make your worksheet much easier to scan and understand. That covers everything you need to know.